Welcome. Now let's get your card activated. Activating your $500 hotel holiday cash card is easy. After you have received your redemption code, go to savingsvip.com, then click on Have an activation code. Redeem now, as shown here circled in red. This screen will appear, then please enter your redemption code. Make sure there are no spaces before and after the code when you type it in. Please complete this form that will appear and click Agree on Terms and Service Agreement. You'll be taken to the home page where you can start planning and booking your next vacation. You'll find your account page by clicking My Account in the upper right-hand corner as seen circled in red here. Once on your account page, click on Member Profile as circled in red. Your ID is your email address you registered and your password is your phone number until you change it in your Member Profile. Password can be changed at the bottom of Member Profile page as shown here circled in red. Would you like to reload your $500 hotel holiday cash card? That's easy, just purchase another card and go to your account page, which can be found on the upper right-hand corner. Now that you are on the account page, click on Hotel Dollars Transactions as circled here in red. Put in a new hotel savings code in the blank circled in red right above Add Hotel Dollars and then just click Add Hotel Dollars to submit your new redemption code. Just like that, more hotel dollars are added to your account as shown here circled in red. If needed, you'll find instructions in your emailed voucher. Thanks for letting me share and enjoy the savings.